Hey gamers, got a Razer Deathadder Essential and want to customize it with a Razer Synapse? I'll show you how to connect it very fast. Let's go. First, grab your Deathadder Essential and plug it into a USB port on your computer. Make sure it's a direct port, not a hub. Your PC should recognize it instantly. Look for the green LED lighting coming up on the mouse. Now open your browser and head to razer.com/synapse-3. Click download now for Windows. Once it's downloaded, run the installer. Follow the prompts, accept the license, hit install, and let it finish. This takes about 30 seconds. After installation, launch Razer Synapse. Sign in with your Razer ID or create one quick. Once you're in, Synapse should automatically detect your Deathadder Essential. You'll see it pop up on the dashboard. If it doesn't, try a different USB port or restart the app. There it is. Click on your mouse in Synapse to tweak DPI, rebind buttons, or set up macros. Play around and make it yours. Everything saves to the cloud, so you're good to go. That's it. Super easy, right? Now you're ready to dominate with your Deathadder Essential. Like this video if this helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Game on.